go. Giddy up, Scrammy. Yeah, I don't know how the audio is going to be on this. We'll find out, I guess. That'd be one hell of a windscreen if it worked out, but I'm not gonna hold my breath too much on that. Let's get over on some gravel. That's kind of the fun. I like riding on the gravel better. Get out of traffic a little bit. Ooh, we got a garage sale. I like me a good garage sale. Here, you gotta watch this gravel here. Could easily lose your marbles right here. But once we get on the gravel, we should be good to go. Here we go, giddy up, let's go. Let's go on the little route. All right, this is a good first test for the Insta360 on the Scram 411. This is my element right here. I love riding on gravel for some reason. Enjoy the ride. Get an idea what kind of footage we can create. Oh, camera's tipping over a little bit. Yeah, I don't like this mount. This mount kind of sucks. It's a little wobbly. Not a fan. Should be better than that. Might have to get creative. Might have to get a little creative. Mainly, I just kind of want to see what the audio looks like, what the audio sounds like. Most importantly, what the video kind of looks like. Should be pretty good with minimal curvature in the earth. Quick zip. Quick zoom zip. I was looking for my phone and it's on my damn phone mount. So watching for the holes in the ground. Nice progressive braking right there. Yeah. Watching for those traffic patterns. I wish I could just upload this stuff straight in to YouTube as VR 360. I think that would be badass, but I think I'm gonna have to learn some editing skills in order to do that. Very curious to see what this footage is gonna look like. $465 miles on the old Scram. Well, young Scram. This thing's a baby. This thing's a little baby. Looks all clear. Let's go. Ooh, goddamn bolt on the ground. That threw me off a little bit. I didn't want to run over that damn bolt.